Number 142, in a class of 50 students, 28% wear glasses. How many students do not wear glasses? Okay, so ang total na students natin ay 50 students. So ang sabi, 28% daw ay wear glasses. So isolve muna natin yung nag-wear ng glasses, tapos isubtract na lang natin para makuha natin yung do not wear glasses. So, simpleng multiplication lang ito. 50 students, i-multiply lang natin dito sa 28%. Ang 28%, pwede natin yung isulat as 28 over 100. Then, i-multiply lang natin dito sa total na 50 students. Okay, so, simplify lang natin, i-lowest term natin itong 50 at 100, divide both by 50. So, ito ay magiging 1, and then itong 100 ay magiging 2. So, therefore, we have 28 divided by 2, that is equal to 14. Itong 14, ito yung nagwe-wear ng glasses. So, ang hinahanap natin ay yung do not wear glasses. So, ibig sabihin, isubtract lang natin. So, we have 50, yung total, minus 14, and then the answer is equal to 36. So, ito yung 36, yung do not wear glasses. The answer is letter C, 36. Follow for more.